Continuing with the subject of cooler bypass valves, we had already discussed with Ford, for example, that a cooler bypass valve could actually be built into the radiator, which is why it's so important to have a hot flush machine. Otherwise, we can't clean this. We also have applications where the cooler bypass valve is in the cooling lines themselves, and it too will not allow you to flush the cooler unless you have a hot flush machine to activate the thermal bypass valve. Some applications will actually have the cooler bypass valve built into the valve body, and on those applications you can flush the lines directly. But without a hot flush machine, if you have this kind of an application, you can at least disconnect the cooling line from here and then flush the cooler directly from the lines coming from this cooler bypass assembly into the radiator and back again. And we also, in our installation guide for the 6F35, we want you to replace this thermal bypass valve assembly with a new one.